Portable speakers allow us to enjoy music, whether we're at a park, in the shower, or maybe just laying around the house. But it's so easy to forget to grab them on your way out the door. Director of Education with STEM NOLA, Rebekah Olinde, and NOLA student Brian Swinney Jr. join us this morning to show us how to make cup speakers. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so these are very handy if you forget your speakers, you want to listen to some music. This can really come in helpful.
Definitely. So today we're going to be making portable speakers with two cups,
okay,
scissors, a Sharpie, and a paper tube. First, you're going to you're going to need your phone. First, you're going to get the paper tube, align it with your phone, and you're going to take the Sharpie.
And is that just like a tube from a paper towel roll?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you're going to take the Sharpie and outline your phone on the paper tube. Then you're going to take the scissors and you're going to cut it out, which should give you a paper tube that looks like this. Okay. Then you're going to take the two cups on each end of the paper tube, take the Sharpie and outline it. And then you're going to use the scissors to cut it out, and it should give you with two holes in them. Then you're going to place on each end of the paper tube the two cups, and then you're going to insert your phone and play anything you want.
Well, time is now 9:46. Scientists measure movements.
That is so cool.
What's known.
And how easy? That took you like 30 seconds to do that.
It was today.
And you can hear the difference between turning it towards my mic and having it away.
Right, right. So you can kind of just turn it wherever you need the sound to be and to kind of amplify, and you'll be able to hear it better.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I have a question. Which is faster? Light waves, sound waves, or ocean waves?
Light waves?
Correct. Because it's
okay,
like when you see lightning, you don't hear the thunder immediately.
Unless that's a good point.
Right up on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am always telling my daughter that when there's lightning, I say, just wait for it. You're going to hear the thunder in a minute.
Yeah, absolutely. And that thunder is caused by vibrations that are a result of the air expanding around the lightning. And in the same way, what's happening here is also vibrations. So what we're seeing is the phone is creating vibrations through its own speaker. And those vibrations are actually amplified and redirected by our docking station, so by this portable speaker. So the air inside of the tube and inside of the cups is then caused also to vibrate, and that vibrating sound is able to move out at a much louder volume than you would have if you just had your phone, right? So it's sort of like how the body of a guitar is hollow on the inside and allows that sound to be amplified. So that's what we're seeing here.
Gotcha. Okay. It makes sense. Well, Brian, we appreciate you demonstrating that for us, and Rebekah for explaining it. You guys always have the coolest experiments. Thank you so much for your time this morning.
We have, we have more things going on. We have camps going on. We're about to start inside of schools doing programs. We have our Saturday programs, including a Saturday high school program that we call STEM Fellows, where students actually get to participate in intensive short courses with experts in different fields in STEM. So you can find all of this information on our website, or you can go to our YouTube page, or if you're really like hanging at the pool and want to get in touch with STEM NOLA, you can bring your portable speaker and listen to STEM NOLA's YouTube page on your portable speaker. So lots of ways to find out more about us.
Yes, STEM NOLA is just such a great organization for sure. All right, thank you both again. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
Take care. All right, Rob?
Oh, thank you, Meg. Well, you might need that speaker to listen to the Foo Fighters because the Foo has postponed their show after a confirmed